Hi guys, Shane here from Rain and Horn in Rosebud. Very excited to be at the auction of 1 Koorong Avenue in Rosebud. Adam, tell us about this fantastic campaign.
Thank you very much, Shane. We had this as a private sale, we've converted to auction. The vendors are very excited and getting a sale today.
Can't wait to see what unfolds. All of this area of Rosebud is regarded widely by owners, occupiers and developers as a blue chip location. First call at 650,000. Thank you, 660 I have here and 70 can I say. Final call 690,000, almost at reserve. Give me one more and we'll get away. 710 I have with David on the left hand side and 5. 715 with you in the middle period. 720 I have first. At $721,000, this property is selling. Sold. Congratulations to Perry at $721,000.
The result was fantastic. We've had this house, or my father's had this house for a long time, and we didn't think we would get what we got, and it was really good.
Well guys, I've got an ecstatic vendor, I've got an extremely pleased purchaser. It was a developer, so we had 3 confirmed bidders here today. Getting bids out of them at the start was quite difficult. We stopped for a moment, we went inside and spoke with the vendors. We decided not to put it on the market too early, encouraged some bidding. It came on, it ended up selling $21,000 in excess of their reserve. They are ecstatic. They can move on with their lives happily, and the purchaser can't wait to get started on his development. Contact Rain and Horn if you have any questions about auctions.